The Luxembourg Stock Exchange, LuxSE, French Bourse de Luxembourg, is based in Luxembourg City at 35A Boulevard, Joseph II. The Luxembourg Stock Exchange specialises in the listing of foreign bonds, and as of August 2016 it was the first in Europe with 25,831 debt securities listed. It was the first exchange in the world to list a Eurobond, a foreign bond denominated in a currency other than the country where it was issued, when it issued Italian Autostrade bonds in 1963. Luxembourg has held a leading position in European bond issues to this day, accounting for about 40% of all cross-border securities traded in Europe. The LuxX Index, a weighted index of the 9 most valuable stocks by free float market capitalization, is the primary share index of the Luxembourg Stock Exchange. The stocks are denominated in euros. Today the Luxembourg Stock Exchange has more than 37,000 listings in the form of bonds, warrants, shares and funds. Luxembourg's economy is heavily reliant on the banking, steel and manufacturing sectors. Luxembourgers have the world's largest per capita gross domestic product. Main industries are banking and financial services, construction, real estate services, iron, metals and steel, information technology, telecommunications, cargo transportation and logistics, chemicals, engineering, tyres, glass, aluminium, tourism and biotechnology. Despite being dubbed the Green Heart of Europe in tourist literature, Luxembourg's pastoral land coexists with a highly industrialised and export-intensive region. Luxembourg's economy resembles Germany's in several ways. Luxembourg enjoys a degree of economic stability that is uncommon among developed democracies. Luxembourg's banking industry is the largest in the country. Luxembourg was ranked the 25th most competitive financial centre in the world in the 2019 Global Financial Centres Index, and the 3rd most competitive in Europe after London and Zurich. The country has made a name for itself in the field of cross-border fund administration. Luxembourg's financial centre is mostly foreign due to the country's limited domestic market. Political stability, good communications, easy access to other European centres, professional multilingual workers, a banking secrecy tradition and cross-border financial expertise have all aided the financial sector's development. If the holding period is less than 6 months and the gross capital gains exceed €500, capital gains resulting from the sale of movable assets are subject to Luxembourg progressive income tax rates, 0% to 45.78%. If movable assets are sold more than 6 months after purchase, capital gains are not taxable unless the owner has a significant stake in the company, material interest. After the 6-month cycle, capital gains from the sale of material interest are charged as exceptional profits at half the overall combined tax rate, maximum 22.89%. The information available on Lux stocks is easily accessible. The Luxembourg Statistical Office, StatEC, is a great resource, as well as the European Sentiment Indicators published by the European Union. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.